Ready to ditch the same old faces and unlock a world of connections on OmeTV? First, let's address the elephant in the room. OmeTV usually connects you with people within your general region, but what if you want to chat with someone in, say, Brazil, Japan, or Italy? That's where a VPN, or virtual private network, comes in handy. A VPN essentially masks your real location and makes it appear as though you're browsing from a different country. Now head to your search engine and type in VPN providers. There are tons of options, some free, some paid. VPNs usually offer faster speeds and more server locations, but free ones can work in a pinch. Just be cautious and read reviews before downloading anything, as some free VPNs can be risky. Once you've chosen and downloaded a VPN, install it on your device. The process is usually pretty straightforward. Open the VPN app and look for a list of countries. This is where the magic happens. Select the country you want to connect through. For example, if you want to meet someone from France, choose a server located in France. The VPN will then connect you to a server in that country. It might take a few seconds. Once connected, your IP address will appear as if you're browsing from France. Now, refresh your OmeTV page. OmeTV should now connect you with people from your selected country. If it doesn't work immediately, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or trying a different server within the same country. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore OmeTV's global community. Happy chatting!